To access the filter, first open the hood. The cabin air filter is located here, under the passenger side cowling. Remove the cowling panel. Open the filter housing. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing towards the back of the car. Close the filter housing. Reinstall the cowling panel. Close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.